The presence of bacteria, viruses, and fungi can lead to infections and outbreaks in critical spaces in hospitals, as well as office buildings, athletic facilities, and food processing plants. They have developed defenses against many traditional antimicrobial treatments and have become resistant to antibiotics, antifungals, and antiviral compounds, increasing the challenge of environmental disinfection. Ultraviolet light is a proven solution to safely killing germs. Puro's fixtures miniaturize germicidal UV light. They treat the air and surfaces and ensure up to 99.9% disinfection of the whole room. Our system can run with the flip of a switch or on a schedule, however you choose. With this approach, we can disinfect any room, like an air handling unit area, of any size, including food processing plants or athletic facilities, at any time, with Puro's onboard scheduling and building automation compatibility. Disinfection on demand. Any room, any size, any time.
What could be a big breakthrough in fighting the coronavirus going forward? The MTA, along with scientists from Columbia University, discovering for the first time that the ultraviolet technology the MTA is using to sanitize the subway every night is actually killing the virus. UV has long been thought to be effective, but it's not been proven until now, apparently. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Tim Fleischer.
A new advancement, the latest innovation in disinfecting technology, is taking on the new COVID-19 virus in the hopes of killing it on MTA subway cars and buses.
The MTA is launching the first ever UV pilot proven to kill COVID-19. That's big news.
Through a pilot program announced today by MTA officials, the Transportation Authority is teaming with Columbia University's Center for Radiological Research, utilizing new ultraviolet C technology to sanitize subway cars and buses for essential workers.
The UV light that's going to be used in the current overnight subway and bus disinfection program is very efficient at killing the SARS-CoV-2 virus, the virus that's responsible for COVID-19.
UV is a proven and effective technology, and it is 100% safe to humans after it is applied.
The next several weeks in phase 1 of the pilot program, 230 UV lamps will be deployed at subway stations and yards, and to fixed locations for the cleaning of buses. In phase 2, the UV lamps will be used to clean trains on both the Long Island and Metro North railroads.
This has never been done, as far as I know, in the scale that we plan on doing it with the knowledge that it kills COVID-19.
MTA officials will monitor the results of the pilot in the hopes of expanding the UVC use throughout the system.